Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll show you how to repair Windows 10 using the command prompt. This is a simple but powerful way to fix system glitches and improve performance. First, click on the Start menu and type CMD into the search bar. This will bring up the command prompt application. Next, right-click on command prompt and select Run as Administrator. This step is important because system repairs require full permissions. In the command window, type the command sfc /scanno and then press Enter. This tells Windows to scan and automatically repair any corrupted system files. The scan can take anywhere from several minutes to over an hour, depending on your computer's speed and the number of files. Be patient and do not close the window while it's running. When the process finishes, Windows will let you know if any issues were found and whether they were repaired automatically. And that's it. By running this simple command, you can fix corrupted files and keep Windows 10 running smoothly. Try using it regularly as part of your computer maintenance